Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make Threat Quotient's Old HASHioned. It's a twist on the original that I think you're going to enjoy. Let's go to the ingredients. First ingredient on the list is Mezcal. If you're not familiar with Mezcal, it's like tequila, but with a smoky campfire aftertaste. It's delicious. There's a wide variety of Mezcals on the market. For cocktails, I like Montelobos. It's sippable, it's decent Mezcal, and it ain't too proud to go in a mix. Next up,
Daddy,
we've got
can I have more time on my computer so I can...
bitters. We're gonna spice some things up with some Ancho Reyes chili liqueur. We've got brown sugar simple syrup, 1 part brown sugar, 1 part water, and boil it. And lastly, we're going to garnish it with an orange. Now that we've got that out of the way, let's mix it up. First, we start off with 2 ounces of our favorite Mezcal. Maybe a little better than 2, it's okay. Next, we have our 1/4 ounce of Ancho chili liqueur. Then we have our brown sugar simple syrup. That's another 1/4 ounce. Can't forget a couple of splashes of bitters. Throw in some ice, and then we move on to the orange. Now, we're going to take a nice, wide, thick piece of orange rind, and instead of just squeezing and putting it in, we're going to get a little fancy. We're going to warm it up a little bit. Then, we're going to spritz our drink through the flame, giving it some caramelization. Want to see that in slow motion? And that's it. Twist your orange, drop it in, give it a shake, and enjoy. Cheers.